Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to issue an estimate or quote in Zoho Books step by step using the 2025 interface. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or just getting started with Zoho Books, this guide will make the process simple and seamless. So stick around because by the end, you'll be able to create professional quotes in minutes. First, let's access Zoho Books. Open your web browser and go to the Zoho Books website. Once you're there, click the sign in button at the top right and log in using your email and password or your Google account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Sales tab on the top menu, click on it, and from the drop-down, select Quotes. In Zoho Books, quotes and estimates are basically the same thing. Now, let's create a new quote. On the Quotes page, click the New button. This will open the estimate creation form. Here, start by entering your client details. Fill in the client's name, contact information, and any terms or conditions that apply to this quote. Accuracy here is key, so double check everything. Next, move on to the items section. This is where you add the products or services you're quoting. Specify the quantity, unit price, and any applicable taxes or discounts. Zoho Books will automatically calculate the total for you, making it quick and error-free. Once everything looks good, you can either save the quote for later or send it directly to your client. If you choose to send it, you can also customize the accompanying email, adding a personal touch or any extra instructions. And that's it. You've just created and issued a professional estimate in Zoho Books. And there you have it. A simple step-by-step way to issue quotes in Zoho Books in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future Zoho Books tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.